Did you know that in October 1995, potatoes became the first vegetable ever successfully grown in space? Astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia made history by cultivating these humble spuds in the vastness of the cosmos, proving that Earth's most essential food crops could thrive beyond our planet. The experiment was deceptively simple. Researchers clipped just 10 leaves from a single potato plant, nestled them into beds of moistened soil, and sent half of them rocketing into orbit. The other half stayed on Earth as a control group. After 16 days in microgravity, something remarkable happened. Both sets grew tiny gumball-sized potato tubers at exactly the same rate. This wasn't just a random vegetable chosen for space travel. NASA and the University of Wisconsin partnered on this mission because potatoes pack incredible nutritional power. They're loaded with carbohydrates, vitamins, and protein. Compared to other crops, they're also relatively easy to grow and require minimal processing after harvesting, making them the ultimate survival food for long space voyages. The technology that made this possible was called quantum tubers, a brilliant fusion of an ancient Chinese agricultural technique combined with cutting-edge controlled environment technology. Scientists essentially created a portable plant growth chamber that could sustain life in the harsh vacuum of space, proving that gravity isn't actually required for potatoes to form their nutritious underground tubers. And here's the craziest part. This breakthrough wasn't just about feeding astronauts on the International Space Station. It was laying the groundwork for humanity's future on Mars. Scientists have since tested potatoes in soil that mimics the Martian landscape, proving that when we finally colonize the red planet, potatoes could be the crop that sustains our first interplanetary colonies. Want to learn more mind-blowing facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for fascinating science stories that'll expand your perspective on the universe.